We've created this professional sales and revenue PowerPoint presentation using Claude AI. You don't need to spend hours creating slides, formatting layouts, or designing charts. With just one simple prompt, Claude AI can help you create a complete 8-slide business presentation in just a few minutes. Let's see exactly how we did it. First, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Once you're on Claude AI, simply type the prompt into the chat box and press Enter. I'm going to type a simple request asking Claude AI to create an 8-slide PowerPoint presentation on sales and revenue and their importance in business growth. Include 1. Title slide, 2. Introduction to sales and revenue, 3. Sales performance, 4. Revenue analysis, 5. Customer sales analysis, 6. Sales target versus actual, 7. Sales challenges and growth strategies, 8. Summary and key recommendations, use simple language, clear bullet points, professional business design, charts, KPI visuals where appropriate, and suggest one relevant image for each slide. After pressing Enter, Claude AI starts generating the entire presentation structure automatically. Within seconds, we get a complete presentation with slide titles, content, business insights, charts, KPIs, and image suggestions. Now, let's download the PowerPoint file and open it in Microsoft PowerPoint, and see how Claude AI has turned our simple prompt into a complete 8-slide sales and revenue presentation. Now let's quickly review the slides. Slide 1 introduces sales and revenue and their role in business growth. Slide 2 explains the relationship between sales activity, revenue generation, and business success. Slide 3 focuses on sales performance with important metrics and trends. Slide 4 analyzes revenue performance and highlights key revenue drivers. Slide 5 provides customer sales insights, including active customers and repeat purchases. Slide 6 compares sales targets with actual performance to measure success. Slide 7 discusses common sales challenges and practical growth strategies. And finally, Slide 8 summarizes the key insights and recommendations. Just like that, we have created the presentation using just a prompt. You can also add your own business data and information to make it more relevant to your requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vizspire AI for more AI automation tutorials.